Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel and I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Friends, in this channel I am trying to bring you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So do like, share and subscribe, and let's begin and go through jobs pertaining to this week. Friends, the first is a gentle reminder for those who have still not applied for these 270 vacancies of Officer General Grade B at RBI. Hurry up as the last date is approaching, that is 15 February 2021. Friends, here the education qualification asked was graduation in any discipline with 60% marks or post graduation with 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit was 30 years, it's a permanent post and there was no requirement of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so those who are interested can directly click there and apply for these vacancies. Friends, next vacancy is by UPSC for the recruitment of one post of Joint Secretary at Department of Revenue, which is under Ministry of Finance, Government of India. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a master's degree in economics or commerce or finance or business administration or a CA or CMA. Friends, here the minimum age limit to apply for this vacancy is 40 while the upper limit is 55 years. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have 15 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month salary would be 2,21,000 gross. Friends, you have to apply online on or before 22nd March 2021. Friends, next vacancy again by UPSC for the recruitment of one post of Director Education Laws at Department of School Education and Literacy, which is under Ministry of Education. Friends, here the recruitment is for, as I said, for Director Education Laws. The education qualification asked was bachelor's degree in law or registered with State Bar Council or Bar Council of India. Friends, here the minimum age limit to apply for this vacancy is 35 while the upper limit is 45 years. Again a permanent post, but you need to have 10 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, here your per month salary would be 1,82,000 gross. And friends, the last date to apply for this vacancy is again 22nd March 2021. Friends, next vacancy again by UPSC for the recruitment of two posts each of Director Financial Market at Department of Economic Affairs, which is under Ministry of Finance, and then at Director Finance at NACO, that is National AIDS Control Organization. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is for Director Financial Market, it is Master's degree in Economics or Finance or Business Administration, while for Director Finance it is the Master's degree in Economics or Commerce or Maths or Business Administration. Friends, the age limit for both the vacancies, the minimum is 35 while the maximum is 45 years. Friends, both are permanent posts and in both the cases you need to have 10 years of experience to apply for this vacancies. Friends, the per month salary for both the posts, that is Director Financial Market and Director Finance, is 1,82,000 gross. And friends, you have to apply online on or before 22nd March 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Siemens Provident Fund Organization, which is an autonomous body under Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Friends, here the recruitment is for 4 posts of Junior Assistant at Mumbai. Friends, education qualification as is a graduation, the upper limit is 25 years, it's a permanent post, but you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the per annum package would be 5 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline mode by 12th March 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from PFRDA, that is Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India. Here the recruitment is for one post of Executive Director at New Delhi. Friends, the educational qualification asked is either a MBA or MMS with specialization in finance or a CA, CS, CFA, CMA or LLB or postgraduate degree holder in economics or finance. Friends, the upper limit here is 55 years. It's a post on permanent or contractual basis depending upon the applicant. Friend, but you need to have 20 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friend, your per month salary would be 3,80,000 gross and you have to apply offline latest by 26 February 2021. Friend, next vacancy is from National Council for Cement and Building Materials, which is under administrative control of Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for one post of Group Manager, Finance and Accounts at Haryana. Friends, the educational qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA Finance. Friends, the upper limit is 50 years. It's a permanent post, but you need to have 15 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friend, here your per month pay scale would range between basic pay of 78,800 to 1,30,400. Friends, you have to apply offline latest by 5th March 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Book Trust, which is under Ministry of Education. Friends, here the recruitment is for Deputy Director, Cost and Finance. Friends, the educational qualification asked is either a CA or CMA. Friends, the upper limit is 56 years. It's a one vacancy post at New Delhi. Friends, this post is on deputation. That means those who are already in government service are eligible to apply. Friends, those holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience in level 10 of 7 CPC are eligible to apply. Friends, your per annum package would be 12.5 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline to National Book Trust latest by 29th March 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from IFCI Infrastructure Development Limited for the recruitment of one post of Assistant Manager Finance and Accounts at New Delhi. Friends, the education qualification asked is a Chartered Accountancy while the age limit is 35 years. Friends, this post is on contractual basis. Experience charge is 1 year and you will get a per month consulted amount of rupees 60,000. Friends, to apply for this vacancy, you have to first apply online, download your application format, scan it and forward the PDF to careers@iidlindia.com latest by 16th February 2021. Friends, next is a gentle reminder for those who have cleared phase 1 of SEBI Grade Officer exam. Do visit financemcq.in where the entire technical syllabus is brought to you in MCQ format for practice. Friends, this technical syllabus includes subjects such as Commerce and Accountancy, Management, Finance, Costing, Companies Act and Economics. And friends, let me tell you, this technical syllabus have 2/3 weightage of phase 2 of your SEBI Grade Officer exam. So this technical syllabus will definitely be a game changer for your selection. Friends, this website financemcq.in is presenting 2000 plus subject-wise, topic-wise MCQ questions for you to practice. Friends, they have added explanation for correct answers wherever required. And friends, not only this, the website is also presenting 25 national level test series covering the technical syllabus for more and more practice. So friends, do visit financemcq.in and practice your technical syllabus well. And all the best. Friends, next vacancy is from Odisha State Health and Family Welfare Society for the recruitment of 15 posts of Finance cum Logistic Consultant. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is either a CA or Inter CA or CMA or CMA Inter or MBA in Material Management or its equivalent or MBA Finance or PGDBM Finance or PGDM Finance or PGDBA Finance or MCOM. Friends, all these are contractual posts and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, your per month consulted amount would be 35,251 plus performance incentives. Friends, you have to apply offline latest by 22nd February 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation, Training and Research, which is an autonomous institute under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment under Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 posts, one each of Accountant Consultant and Assistant Consultant. Friends, the educational qualification for Accountant Consultant is a commerce graduation, while for Assistant Consultant it is any graduate. Friends, the upper limit in both the cases is 30 years. Both are contractual posts and you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, you will get a per month consulted amount of rupees 40,000 per month and you have to apply offline latest by 5th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Air India Express, which is a subsidiary of Air India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 posts, one each of Manager Cargo, Sales and Marketing and one for Deputy Manager Airport Services. Friends, educational qualification in both the cases is graduation in any discipline. Friends, the upper limit for Manager Cargo, Sales and Marketing is 50 years, while for Deputy Manager Airport Services it is 45 years. Friends, both are on contractual basis, while the experience required for Manager Cargo Sales and Marketing is 15 years, while for Deputy Manager Airport Services it is 10 years. Friends, in case of Manager Cargo Sales and Marketing, you will get a consulted amount of 62,000, while for Deputy Manager Airport Services you will get the consulted amount of 60,000 respectively. Friends, in both the cases you have to apply offline latest by 21st February 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Central Salt and Marine Chemicals Research Institute, which is a CSIR lab. Friends, here the recruitment is for 4 posts of General Secretariat Assistant, Finance and Accounts or General or in Stores and Purchase categories. Friends, here the educational qualification asked for Finance and Account is 12th with Accountancy and typing speed required. Friends, while for in other categories such as Junior Secretarial Assistant in General and Stores and Purchase category, you need to be a 12th pass with the typing speed as given in the advertisement. Friends, the upper limit here is 28 years, all are permanent posts and you don't need to have experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the per annum package would be 4 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline latest by 15 March 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Ghani Khan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is a government-funded technical institute. Friends, here the recruitment is for 1 post of senior assistant cashier and 2 posts of junior assistant. Friends, the education qualification in both the cases is 12 with accountancy and the typing speed of 35 words per minute. Friends, while for senior assistant cashier, the desirable qualification asked is graduation, and friends, the upper limit for senior assistant cashier is 33 years, while for junior assistant it is 27 years. Friends, both are permanent posts and in both cases you don't need to have any experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, the per annum package for senior assistant cashier would be 5 lakhs gross, while for junior assistant this is 4 lakhs gross respectively. Friends, you have to apply online latest by 10th March 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 posts of assistant registrar at West Bengal. Friends, the education qualification asked is master's degree in any discipline with 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. Friends, here there are total 2 posts. 1 post will be a permanent post while the other post will be filled on contractual or deputation basis. Friends, here you don't need to have an experience and the per annum package would be 11 lakhs gross. You have to apply again online by 10th March 2021. So friends, that's all for this week. I hope the video was useful. So thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.